Good morning, guys. Good afternoon. This is the illegal garage. Today we're gonna do a little unboxing of, as you can see, Quickjacks to make life easier in the garage when we're working mainly on the Cobra. And hopefully we can use for the Tacoma too, but I don't know. I might need to buy the extensions for the truck. So today we're just gonna do a little unboxing. I'm not gonna do a setup and everything because there's plenty of videos on YouTube on showing you how to set them up, how to put them together, that they probably did a better job than I can do. So I'm just gonna do a little unboxing and I'll show you the final product when I'm done. So I got this from Home Depot. The packaging looks different than what you usually get. I don't know why, but you get the left one, the right one, and in that box is the accessories and the hydraulic pump. So I'm gonna cut it here. I'm gonna open it and then I'll put it together at the end. We got the blocks. Two of these.
Looks like Legos.
Four of the same size. We got the hoses that go from the Quickjacks to the pump. Hydraulic pump. Four more blocks, small ones. You can stack them up like Legos, I guess. Two big hoses. More instructions. What's in this box? You got the thread seal and all the fittings needed. So that's pretty much it for the unboxing. I'm just gonna put it together and I'm just gonna do the cliche with the magic of editing. And there it is, guys. It took about an hour to put them together, but just doing it slow. This is a power unit, hoses, and the two frames. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 blocks. This is a power pendant, up and down. Here they are going up. And coming down. they're coming down right now. They're coming down slowly because there is no weight on them. But they seems to be working pretty good. There was no leaks, 0 leaks after installation. So I'm gonna put them under the cobra and I'm gonna lift it up and I'll show you guys how high it goes. I will be right back. Well guys, the job is done, so I'm gonna lift the cobra up to the first lock so you can see the height on the first lock, and then onto the second lock so you can see the full how much the Quickjacks lift the cobra. So we're gonna go up now. That's the first lock. So now you go down a little. Now the car is resting on the locks, and you can pretty much leave it there all winter if you want. So your car is not on the suspension or on the tires. You can remove the hoses at this point. You just press the down button 5 seconds, and you can remove the hoses and put the hydraulic pump away. So now I'm gonna go up to the second lock. That's the second one, and that's the full lift of the Quickjack. At this point you got a really good height to do your tires, do your oil change. You pretty much need it's a pretty good height to do whatever you need to do. One thing to watch out for is whenever you're lifting the car is gonna go forward a little bit. So I was about to hit my lawnmower. Good thing I had somebody watching. So just be careful if you get these Quickjacks. When you're lifting something, be careful you're not gonna hit a wall or whatever is in front of your car. So right now it looks like I'm pretty happy with them. I'm gonna start using them now that the car is legal. I gotta do a bunch of stuff. I gotta tighten the suspension bolts, mark them, grease some fittings that I haven't put grease on a while. So now with the Quickjacks it's gonna be easier to do all this stuff. And now the car is not gonna be sitting on the suspension. I'm just gonna leave it up. Well, I think that's it. Please like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Thank you very much. This is the Illegal Garage.